Mr. Justin Trudeau is expected to announce his resignation at a scheduled press conference. You can see live picture as we await those remarks outside of his home in Ottawa this morning. The news sending the Canadian loonie higher, hitting highs of the last 3 weeks this morning. For more on this, we bring in Mark McCormick. He's TD Securities Global Head of FX and EM Strategy. Mark, great to have you on here. So a currency jump off the back of this resignation reminds me of a stock jump after a CEO resignation. It's not something you want to see if you're the executive involved in the news, but what do we need to know about the currency impact here?
Well, I think an important part is to think about whether or not this is an idiosyncratic move in CAD or whether or not this is related to the broad dollar. I would put this in the latter camp. Largely, again, if you look at the price action on the day, CAD's not really an outperformer. It's just kind of moving in sync pretty much with the euro. So I think what we're seeing here is market positioning and valuations, which are very important short-term drivers of the currencies when we talk about weeks and days. Those tell us, based on the indicators that we track, that the dollar's just stretched right now. And you can see how sensitive the market was to the tariff news this morning. And I think this just feeds into that. The market's really long the US dollar. It's looking for excuses to pull back, maybe lighten up the trade a little bit. But there's nothing here that I think is idiosyncratic to the Canadian dollar or Canada. It just fits into a broader, what we call geo-macro theme, which is incumbents are losing. And the people are, essentially people are looking for a new change in direction in all forms of government, Canada,